furious. Before the election in Bihar, Prashant Kishore is seen in a lot of action. Prashant Kishore is talking about facts in a different style and is directly targeting the Prime Minister, holding him accountable, and is seen making fun of the speeches and road shows of the Prime Minister during his Bihar visit. Prashant Kishore starts his talk with a very sharp question and says that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of the whole country. Then why is Bihar being treated like this? Somewhere he is talking about setting up industries and somewhere he is talking about running trains, and that too the trains on which the laborers of Bihar will be loaded like animals and will go to other states to work. Prashant Kishore himself has quoted that video of Modi in which a clear difference is visible.
दुनिया के सबसे बड़े सोलर पावर प्रोजेक्ट में से एक यहां मेरे कच्छ में बन रहा है। साथियों, आज यहां अनेक नई रेलवे लाइनों का उद्घाटन और लोकार्पण हुआ है। सहरा से मुंबई तक आधुनिक अमृत भारत ट्रेन शुरू होने से हमारे श्रमिक परिवारों को बहुत सुविधा होगी।
And along with this, a question also comes in the mind of Biharis that do the leaders also think that we have to complete our political tenure as long as it lasts and move ahead in our life, where more hard work and attention is needed? No attention is paid there at all because this is the situation of Bihar, where only one desire is seen in political parties, the desire for votes, which they need from the human resources of Bihar, but there is no strategy as to how this human resources should be used for the progress of Bihar. It's fair to go to other states and serve the people, which was once number one in GDP, is today standing at the last position and is waiting for its number to change. But the political characteristics is the Bihar seems important only at the time of election. First, listen to this video of Prime Minister Modi. First of all, there is a big difference in the body language and confidence of our country's Prime Minister in this video. The difference in love of Bihar and Kutch is clearly visible. One of the biggest power projects of the world has been inaugurated here in our Kutch, and in the case of Bihar, many trains have been inaugurated. Why? Because this will facilitate the laborer families to go to Maharashtra. Now Prashant Kishore has said a harsh but true statements that if such a speech is given in Gujarat instead of Bihar, then BJP will be run there. Bullet train is being provided in Gujarat and Vande Bharat in Bihar. There is a talk of Shramik train in Bihar. You are saying that trains will be provided to the laborer families of Bihar to go to Gujarat and Mumbai. We need trains, but so that the laborers of Bihar do not have to struggle in other states. But the products of Bihar go to other states through trains. The poor people of Bihar go to other states and work as laborers, and they do all that work out of compulsion, spend their whole life in compulsion. Is the life of Bihar is meant for living under compulsion? Is the government using Bihar's human resources in such a way that some other states get cheap labor? Is the human resource which can be used on a large scale as a concrete step towards strengthening the entire country? Such is the plight of human resource that labors are produced for free. The changing Bihar now demands that the problems of the youth in Bihar should be paid attention to, and the biggest responsibility for this lies with the politicians of Bihar, because the fate of Bihar is in their hands.